Want an easy way to color your hair without the mess of regular dye? Let me show you how to use Polar Hair Dye Shampoo step by step. Start with dry hair. Make sure it's clean and free from styling products so the color grabs evenly. Put on gloves to protect your hands. Squeeze out enough Polar Hair Dye Shampoo into your palms. Apply it directly to your hair like you would with regular shampoo. Massage it in from roots to tips until all strands are fully covered. Leave the shampoo on your hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. The longer you leave it, the deeper the color result. While waiting, make sure your hair stays evenly coated. After the waiting time, rinse your hair thoroughly with water until the water runs clear. Then towel, dry and style your hair as usual. And that's it. With Polar Hair Dye Shampoo, you color and wash in one simple step. Fast, easy, and no salon needed.